Hello and welcome to today's episode. I'm still in the spot I was last time, and we are going to head home and get all this wonderful material back to the ranch. So let's call it ranch, right? Oh, hello.
Get rid of it. Shoot your fusion. Nice.
Another chicken.
Cleverly dispatched.
What should I do? I need this.
You should feed your 20 food to that pig. Oh, it's gonna get eaten. Can't do anything. It got eaten.
That's fine. Didn't need that much anyways.
Remember when you would pick up, like, you already went there. Remember when you would pick up every single pink floor that you saw?
The simpler times.
Now you gotta worry about these slimes and this food and everything. So put your slimes where they go and foods where they go.
Oh yeah.
You should probably get a higher wall for that corral. Oh, look there. No, on the tree. We all have food. 15 cube berries. Don't ask me how I know how many there are.
I don't know where they are.
Don't ask! Yeah, back up. You're too close. Cycle on the tree.
Huh?
Cycle around the tree. What? Where's the other four? Okay then. Wait, what is that? Wait, there's a weird looking phosphorus slime. Go back. He's stuck on the corner. Feed them cube berries. They like it. Look, they get little hearts. And they produce 2. So you get twice as much money.
Don't carry me.
You're gonna feed your carrots to the rock slimes. Oh. You can put your food in the silo.
Oh, hello. Hello, friend.
You don't have to swap to a... no, you can just shoot the carrots in.
Oh my, that's the wrong button.
Well, first you gotta swap to shoot in the 3 Pogofruit. Swap to the carrots. What? I was wrong. Put them in the carrots. No, press the button. Now shoot the carrots. Now if you want, you can put your 7 cube berries and give them to the Phosphor Largo. But then you'll get the cool thing.
Okay.
Oh, we got a trade thing. You have 7 of those.
Yeah, but I only have 8 of those.
Well, yeah, but you can get more in Super Easy. Wait, hold on, and go back to the trading thing. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, I kinda hit the wrong button.
Okay, we're fine now.
Let's stop the recording.
Go back to the trade thing! It's eating Pogofruit. There should be some on that tree. Did you get all of them?
Yes.
Okay, cool. How many Pogofruit did you need?
11.
And you had... I had like 8, I think. Maybe there'll be some on that big tree up here. Hey, look at them all. Get them. They should be fine right now. Slimes can't get to them because they're still on the tree. You sure like your chickens, huh?
Yeah, I need to keep cats.
What are you doing? Get the ones in the tree. You don't have to be so close. Why are you so close?
Why not?
Because it's bad. Just like hold right click as you walk around the tree in like a circle. Oh my gosh!
Rude!
How dare you? I'll grow up to be a hen later.
Obviously. Really, I thought I was gonna grow up and turn into like edamame stick.
What?
It's not a thing, but
Get the cats or the rocks. I don't think you have any rocks. You have like 3 rocks.
why do I have a chickadee?
You wanna get that thing?
Got my eye on you.
You should get those. No, we're not. Yeah. It's fine. You have a farm with those up and back on the ranch.
Okay, I'm going home.
And you can do that trade deal. And deposit your Quicksilver ornament somewhere. I need to get Quicksilver ornaments in my game.
Uh-huh. Why not? Did you just not find any?
Yeah. I never found any of those.
That's so weird.
Of those like Christmas present grades.
Get away
Stop.
from me.
He can get away from you, and you just rammed into him. Like, there's this super spiky stone thing, and you just ran straight into it.
Okay, well.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc?
Feed your 3 hens to your chickens. What are you doing here?
You said feed your 3 hens to your chickens.
Feed your 3 hens to your tabby slimes.
Eat up, Buttercup.
Give them Pogofruit. Actually, you should have do the trade deal. Go to the trade thing. Trade.
Oh my goodness, thank you for doing
Okay. Trade deal. You only have a limit. You only have a limited time to do the trade thing, right?
Yeah.
Pick up your 7 Q berries on the way.
Your computer's so warm.
So you're gonna get.
What?
What?
I happened?
I think that,
Here.
remember that pink slime that we saw bouncing around earlier? I think he got inside the Never come back.
Hasta la vista.
Never come back to my ranch again. So you're gonna get 14 of those things. Slimes. Make sure the rooster doesn't freaking die.
So can I just shove you?
You can spell your cube, yeah, Pogofruit. Pick up your hen that you have in there. Yeah, that guy. Feed him to your cats. You want to make it so you only have stony guys. Because they're better. They have a scopade. All escaped. Jeez.
What the heck?
It's probably by higher walls. Heavy slimes jump by.
Okay, well.
Spit out your cube berry. Pogofruit. Now you can feed the Pogofruit to those guys so they don't escape again. Now they can't fly away. Like, look at the top. It's near a ceiling.
What are you getting?
Sell the quartz.
Did I get those? There you go.
Yeah.
Gonna keep a nice little carrot in there for when they get hungry.
Sell those plorts. As you've noticed, the prices have been changing. Pink plorts used to be worth 10, but now they're worth 7. So look to your left. The prices have been dropping.
Have I seen those?
No. Those are gold slimes. If you see a gold slime pop up, you have to shoot it with, like, whatever. Like, food. Just shoot a bunch of food at it. You should probably take your, take 20 carrots out of there. It's like, take 2 more carrots. No. Take carrots out. 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 You have so many carrots. You're not doing anything with them. You need to feed them to the Gordo. So take 20 carrots. Oh, they're stacking.
There's a net.
They have a net. The net is temporarily disabled if it gets bumped into 3 times. So it's not like foolproof. Feed those to those guys that like it. Look, they get hearts. And they produce 2. That poor stony hen is trying to get as far away from them as it can. It's like, no, I don't want to die.
You're still so hungry. Why can't these get bigger faster?
Well, you can take out a few of them. Take out, maybe one more. You can probably take out a Rooster too. The Roosters are pretty rare. So don't take out any more. What? Sell them florets.
What's my deal with them?
Yeah, and there's nothing right now. You're getting a new one at like 6.
Alrighty. This concludes today's episode.
Wait, this is the one I had to take a look at. Alright. Guess that's it.
Alright, hopefully I can make sure that my little cats do not get away. That'll be horrible. And I will see you next episode. Bye.
Bye.